and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Regional enters in fray for South Goa Congress ticket. Uproar within Congress over Sardinia's selection. Declaration postponed to Sunday. High Court rejects bail to Tarun Tejpal. Court observes that CCTV footage does not support Tejpal's innocence. Says his email admits his guilt. Stone, mud, dust and waste of rats and cockroaches in food grains at fair price shop. Prudent highlights sorry state at fair shops in Akshi. Feud within two journalists exposes shoddy deals of Sangye Cafe Patrakar Sangh. Sangh admits of accepting money from politicians. And Chogle Warriors beat ICMA USA by 8 wickets. Asad Pathan smashes 70 runs in 33 balls. Chogle achieves 127 runs target in 11.5 overs. And now the news in detail. The South Goa candidature of the Congress has turned out to be a blockade in declaring candidates for North and South Goa seat. There is stiff opposition to Sardinia's candidature and many of the Congress leaders have started backing Alex Reginald as their choice for South Goa candidature. Sharad Pawar is expected to meet Sonia Gandhi on Saturday about North Goa seat.
Congress party experienced upheavals within the party the moment Francisco Sardina's name was declared as South Goa candidate. This confusion has blocked Ravi Naik's prospects also. Now, some senior leaders from the Congress have indicated that there might be a delay in declaring candidates. It might be as late as Sunday. Even Reginald is ready if High Command allots him the ticket.
I don't know what is the decision of the High Command. Let us wait for the decision. We'll see what the High Command says. And I think High Command is also seized of the matter, and I think it is not fair to comment what is their decision right now. But I will wait for the decision, and I have done all sorts of work whatever the High Command says. If the High Command says something, then let us wait and watch, and I will accept it.
If Reginald plans to contest Lok Sabha poll despite being a sitting MLA, then these are the legal implications. No need to resign as MLA. If elected, Reginald will have to resign as MLA or MP. Single person cannot hold both the posts. On the other hand, heavy networking is going on to ensure that North Goa ticket goes to Ravi Naik. Sources informed that NCP head Sharad Pawar and AICC President Sonia Gandhi will meet on Saturday. NCP has meanwhile declared that they will contest both North and South Goa seats. Bureau Report Prudent.
Tarun Tejpal will stay in jail. High Court has rejected bail plea of Tarun Tejpal. The High Court has observed that apologies tendered by Tarun Tejpal by email prima facie reveals that he has confessed committing the crime. The court has also observed that CCTV footage does not prove innocence of Tejpal at this stage. Meanwhile, the order passed by trial court allowing Tarun Tejpal to meet his ailing mother in hospital has become infructuous as his mother has been discharged from the hospital. The High Court on Friday dismissed two petitions filed by Tarun Tejpal in lady journalist sexual assault case. In the first petition, Tarun Tejpal had challenged judgment of Panji Sessions Court dismissing his bail plea. In second petition, Tejpal prayed to grant him bail. High Court Justice Utkarsh Bakre in its judgment observed, apologies tendered by Tarun Tejpal by email clearly reveals that he has confessed of having committed alleged offence. High Court rejects defence argument that incident of rape is totally personal and victim girl desired to close the matter with apologies made by Tarun Tejpal. High Court rejects defence argument that footage does not corroborate statements made by victim and charges labelled by investigating agency. High Court observes that CCTV footage does not help Tejpal to prove his innocence since it did not cover incident inside lift. In view of Tejpal using mobile phone in jail, Justice Utkarsh Bakre observed, it is different to believe that Tejpal would obey conditions if he is released on bail with any conditions. High Court also observed that Tejpal is an influential person who anyhow would like to protect his reputation and name, and there is likelihood of applicant fleeing from justice. High Court observed that considering relationship and past conduct of Tejpal, it cannot be ruled out that he can tamper with the evidence. High Court rejected Tejpal's ground for bail that his mother's health condition is critical. Court observed there are other family members to look after the mother. The fast-track court allowed Tarun Tejpal to meet his ailing mother in the hospital for an hour on Saturday. Tejpal had filed this application few days back when his mother was admitted in the ICU in a hospital. But the order has become infructuous as his mother has been discharged from the hospital on Thursday evening. Tejpal is likely to file fresh applications seeking permission to meet his mother wherever she resides presently. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent. War of two journalists of Sangye Kepe Patrakar Sangh has brought to the fore corruption within the association. Journalist Suhas Savardekar has alleged that members of the Patrakar Sangh have extorted money from politicians and businessmen. Suhas has proved the allegations with evidence of bank transactions. Sangh members admit accepting money from politicians, however, deny of any misappropriation.
A senior journalist of Kurchode, Suhas Savardekar, has alleged of corruption in the Sangye Kepe Patrakar Sangh. He has alleged that members extort money from politicians and other influential sources and misuse it. Savardekar has demanded account of expenditure on the donation money.
16 लाखांची जी बँकेत उलाढाल केल्या ते 16 लाख कोणाकडल्यान हाडल्यात आणि ते कशे मोडल्यात हे चड गरजेचें आसा कारण असो लोकांकडल्यान पयसो हाडून तो कसो मोडूंक जायना नोटीस दिल्ली आसा आमकां मिटींग घेयात आनी आमकां हिशोब सांगात म्हणून रजिस्टर रेडी धाडिल्ली आसा पूण ते मिटींग घेवपाची तांची कांय हालचाली ना
तुमकां कळटा की पॉलिटिशियन आनी बिझनेस हावजाकडल्यान ऑफिसा खातीर पयशे घेतल्या तुमी लेटरान तुमच्या प्रेसिडेंटाक तें आमकां सांगना
पूण ते कोणाकडल्यान घेतल्या हे खबर ना कोणाकडल्यान घेतल्या आमकां खबर ना ताणें केन्नाय आज पासून सांगूं ना आनी कशे मोडल्या ते नाल्यार आनी कोण दितलो भिकारी वाटेवयले पयशे दिवचो ना.
On the other side, members of Sangye Kepe Sangh have addressed a press conference and denied the charges. Members of the Sangh claim that Suhas is dragging house enmity in the profession. However, the stand was exposed when suspicious bank transactions came to light. Surprisingly, journalist Prahar Savardekar accepted that they had accepted money from politicians.
कुडचड्यार एक 5-6 रिपोर्टर आसताले एक्सटॉर्शन चालू आसता आणि मास्टर माइंड ताजो सुहास सावडेकर ते पोलिसां कडेन बसून एक्सटॉर्शन करपाक लागले सावड्या कुडचड्या भितर जे खणी जावं बाकीचे कितें चलता तांकां सामकें फूल स्विंगान एक्सटॉर्शन चालू आसा आमचे फॅमिलीची 2 कोटीची प्रॉपर्टी आशिल्ली आणि फ्रॉड सिग्नेचर केल्यो आणि आपल्यानावर करून घेतले हांवें कोर्टा मॅटर म्हाका दिल्लो ते हांव बंद करचें म्हणून म्हाजेर हो हें घालता ते हेका दबाव हाडपाचो ताका सगळो येत नासा
24 एप्रिल 2012 के 1,600 रुपीस किसने डाला था आपके अकाउंट में? हमारा ऑफिस बनाने के लिए एक हमारा वैल्यूएशन दिया हम नाम नहीं बता सकते ना वैल्यूएशन हमको भी हम श्याम सातर्डेकर एमएलए एक्स एमएलए ही वाज दैट टाइम ही वाज एमएलए
पर्सनल नावावरती पैसे काढण्याचं कारण जेन्ना आम्ही पैसे टुरा वताले आम्ही स्टडी टूर वताले हांगा तेन्ना बेळगांव गेले पैसे कोणा नावार काडटले पैसे काय थंय व्हरपा आमचे कडेन येनाशिल्ले स्टडी नाही ऐसा जाते थे घूमने के लिए स्टडी टूर कुछ परचेजिंग के लिए जा रहे थे
सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं पत्रकार संघाला किती वर्ष झाली
पत्रकार 30 वर्ष झाली
30 वर्ष रजिस्टर झाला
नाही आम्ही आता रजिस्टर करायला दिला होता आणि आमचा रजिस्टर त्यानेच ऑब्जेक्शन देऊन ठेवला आहे रजिस्टर आम्ही लास्ट 8 महिने झाले
पैसे तुम्ही 3 वर्सां घेता रजिस्टर लास्ट इयर
कशें चालू आशिल्ले
ते विड्रॉ करून व्हरताले मदनावर एक फाटी कितें करप मदनान तांकां भायरा काडून चेक पयशे दी म्हणून हांव मागे नांव चेक काडप तांकां पयशे दिताले आमी हे प्रश्नूच ना न्ही आमचे बरे भशेन चलता न्ही सगळें
बरे भशेन चलता रे
फर्स्ट टायम आसताना
जेन्ना आमी
Prudent's reporter Mayur Naik is the vice president of the Sangye Kepe Patrakar Sangh. Prudent management asked Mayur for clarification on the episode. Mayur denied his involvement in the corruption. Now here is Prudent's stand.
Prudent has consistently exposed corruption in different spheres of governance and administration. We have taken on ministers, MLAs and even influential bureaucrats when they were found involved in wrongdoings. We request our viewers to inform us immediately if they find our staffers involved in such dubious activities. We assure you that we will quickly act against them.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.